Hey guys, what's going on? This is Kyle with HOGWORKZ. Today we are in our Michigan shop. Excited to introduce you to a brand new headlight in our 5 3/4 lineup. This 5 3/4 Halomaker is available in black or chrome, and we have updated fitment now for the 2018 to current M8 Softails. This light is going to fit a wide range of M8 Softail models, including the Softail Standard, the Lowrider ST, the Lowrider, and the Street Bob. This light features a polycarbonate shatterproof lens and as always is backed by our HOGWORKZ lifetime warranty. This light is extremely bright, features a 4,000 lumen output on high beam and 3,400 lumen output on low beam. Today we're going to have Al demonstrate just how easy this is to get on this Lowrider ST. Let's jump into the install.
All right, so the first thing you want to do is go ahead and remove the windshield. It's a T27. Looks like there's 2, 4, 6 screws. You're gonna pull these 6 screws out and take the windshield off. Okay, when you get to this last one, you'll kind of want to keep your hand on it just so that this doesn't fall off. And once you have those 6 screws out, you can go ahead and remove the windshield. Just turn the handlebars so that you can get to this fairing screw, and then when we go to take these ones out of this side, we'll turn the handlebars again. So you want to go ahead and remove 2 fairing screws on this side, the 2 fairing screws on this side. These are also T27s. So there's 2 more screws here, these little air deflectors. You want to make sure you take those out too. So then we'll go ahead and turn the handlebars so we can get to these 2 fairing screws on this side. And then just keep in mind when you take this last one out, the fairing is going to be loose. So you'll just kind of want to, rest on it with your hip a little bit. So once you have those 6 fairing screws out, you go ahead and pull the fairing out. You want to go ahead and disconnect the light. There's just a little connector right here. Pull up on the tab, pull that out, and the whole fairing is going to come out. So after you have the fairing out, set on a table, you want to pull this trim ring out. You pretty much just push in a little bit and turn it counterclockwise. On the back side, we're going to remove these 4 screws that hold the light to the housing. And then when you go to take the last one out, just make sure you're holding the light because it will come out the front. So once you have the 4 screws removed, just pull the OEM headlight out from the front. And then we'll go ahead and install our new headlight. You are going to use the same 4 OEM screws, and there will be 4 washers included. So you want to go ahead and put those 4 washers on the OEM screws. All right, and now we're ready to put our new light back in the fairing. So with the power cord facing down, the HOGWORKZ emblem up, go ahead and just put this right back in and attach it with your 4 screws from the back side. And now your new headlight is mounted to the fairing. You can go ahead and take your trim ring, reinstall it from the front. Right here you'll be able to see the tabs come through. Turn it clockwise and it's locked in place now. So now that you have the light mounted in the fairing, the trim rings on the front, you can go ahead and reinstall the fairing. So before you get too far, you want to connect the light and then just kind of get everything lined up. Sometimes these guys here on the side, just kind of watch out for your blinkers there. And then you'll want to re-secure it. And then these little air deflectors on the sides, these are the last thing that hold the inner and the outer fairing together. So this has like a little tab here It goes right in this little slot. So you can see this little tab right here. It aligns with this little slot right here. So you'll just kind of set that in there like that. Set your screw in. And the last thing to do is put your windshield back on. Go ahead and get it lined up. And the install is complete. Let's turn it on. You got high beam, low beam.